2019 CR 9039, State of Texas versus James Arlington Cole. Can I have parties approach and announce for the record? And are you Mr. Cole?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Cole, I'm showing you what's entitled Application for Community Supervision. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Going to show you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
With regards to the True Bill of Indictment, Mr. Cole, have you reviewed that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are, Your Honor.
So you're proceeding on both counts?
Yes, Your Honor. No, yes. Your Honor, we are clearly, I am not functioning today, but I am.
That's okay. Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Cole, I'm going to show you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places? You're going to need to speak up.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand in count one, you're charged with the offense of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon? That's a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Cole, did you review the True Bill of Indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
State waives and abandons count 2, Your Honor.
Any objection?
No objection.
Mr. Cole, I'm going to show you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged in count one with the offense of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon? That's a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine.
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Did you understand if the court were to grant your application
Yes, ma'am.
for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty, sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has assisted me in his defense, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, he does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes.
Mr. Cole, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Other than the plea bargain agreement, have you received any promises?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, state is recommending deferred adjudication. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. There's to be no contact with Latoya Washington. Did you understand with affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to be designated as primary custodial parent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
State, I'm sorry,
Yes, Judge.
defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Showing you the waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you outside the agreement. The state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 5 years. Did you understand that's a recommendation from the state and the court does not have to follow that recommendation?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Then to count one in the indictment, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence.
Yes, Your Honor. State offer states one and attachments.
Any objections?
None.
All right. And while I'm reviewing that and talking to him about that, if you all can initial. All right. Mr. Cole, I'm showing you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. It's where we left off. Mr. Cole, you reviewed the waiver to consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations with your attorney. Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court has reviewed the same. The court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Your Honor.
All right, anything you wish to say?
I just want to say thank you. God bless you.
Oh,
Isn't there
okay.
anything yet?
Well, I appreciate that, but, and God bless you too, but I'm talking about anything you want to say about this case.
Your Honor, may I speak?
No.
Can I
Yes.
speak? I've worked with Mr. Cole for several years now. He has expressed to me that on this day, was not the best day, and he's extremely remorseful for what happened. He wishes to take responsibility for that. He is a sole parent to a little 8-year-old girl. He lives in Houston. He's a caretaker for his mother also, who's 68 years old. She cares for his daughter when he travels as a truck driver. He is thankful that the court would consider his application for deferred, and I believe he'd be a good candidate for that, Your Honor.
All right, I'm trying to figure out though, what is your problem? Because of course the state is waiving count 2, but count 2 shows that you committed a domestic violence case in Caddo Parish, Louisiana, as we call it, Shreveport. So there's a domestic violence case there. Then there are 2 domestic violence cases against Miss Washington. What is your issue? I don't understand how having a bad day means you go to a plasma center where somebody's giving blood and chase them around a parking lot and upset because they don't want you as their boyfriend. How old are you?
34, young.
All right. So this is not 5-year-olds where you're putting some girl's pigtails in an inkwell. I'm not that old, but that's what they did on Little House on the Prairie. So I'm trying to figure out what's your issue.
No issue, Your Honor.
No, I mean, you have violent tendency. Which why? Why do you feel the need to be abusive to people that you're in a relationship with? And I'm assuming you love them. So why are you being abusive?
I wasn't abusive. It just,
No, if you chase somebody around the parking lot, unless y'all playing Ring Around the Rosies, and if you're not playing that, then that means that you're violent. And the poor guy who was taking people's blood and they're trying to relax and eat their cookies and give blood, he had to witness this. So don't come before me saying you don't have violent tendencies, because your history shows that you do. And this case is a violent case. That's why it's called aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. And honestly, aggravated assaults, you never see them where they say friendly aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. It's always violent, because that's why it's aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. So I'm trying to figure out, what is your problem? Why are you abusive? to people you claim to love. Your 8-year-old is going to grow up and ultimately be in a relationship with somebody. Do you want somebody to be abusive to her?
No, ma'am.
You want somebody to chase her around a parking lot?
No, ma'am.
So again, why are you doing this? Because I don't know if I should accept this plea or not. I'm trying to figure out why you're doing what you do. And you and I both know that the person who's taking care of the 8-year-old is not you. It's your mom, her grandmother. So why do you have anger issues? I mean, there has to be a reason. I mean, if somebody say they don't want you, then usually the answer to that is okay. And as my grandmother would say when she's alive, she's like, my heart may be breaking in 1,000 pieces and I'm crying on the inside, but you'll never see it on the outside. Or as Beyonce says in her song, you know, there will not be a tear falling from this eye. So why can't you accept when people don't want you?
Because I have a heart, Your Honor.
Everybody has a heart, but
Caring heart, but
that doesn't make sense to me. That somebody breaks up with you, you have a caring heart, so you abuse them because they want to leave. Did you ever look internally and find out why maybe Miss Washington didn't want to be with you? And then you slash your tires. Do you know how much tires cost? That's expensive. And if she's at the place giving blood and making a donation, maybe she's selling plasma, maybe not. Usually when they say in the report that someone was giving plasma, that usually means that they're selling it. Otherwise, they're just